The beauty trend glass skin. How to get glass skin, Korean beauty secret. Yes friends, today's video is about how to get glass skin at home, that too with natural home remedies. Glass skincare routine is going viral these days. Glass skin looks gorgeous, plumped up, clear, luminous, seemingly transparent. Let's start the video. This skincare regime has 4 steps. First step is cleansing. Friends, Korean women always cleanse their skin deeply. They use oil-based cleansers to remove dirt and makeup. So here I'm using pure coconut oil. Take a cotton ball, dip it in oil and wipe your skin gently to remove all the dirt and makeup. After cleaning with oil, they use water-based cleanser to clean it properly. So for this, wash your face with any good herbal face wash. Now let's move on to the second step. This is scrubbing or exfoliation. This will remove dead skin cells from the skin naturally. For this, take a tomato, cut it into 2 halves like this. In a bowl, take 1 teaspoon of rice flour and sprinkle some rice flour on the tomato slice. Rub this slice gently on your face and neck. Squeeze the tomato in between. Scrub like this for 3-4 minutes on your face. Friends, please note, follow this step 3 times a week. No need to do it daily. If your skin is sensitive, then follow this step twice a week only. Now wash your face with plain water. Third step of this glass skincare regime is toning. Friends, toning is very important. Korean women always use toner in their daily skincare routine. Toner maintains the pH balance of our skin. Here we will make rice water toner. Boil 2 tablespoons of rice in enough water. You have to boil it till the rice is cooked properly. So this is our boiled rice water, and if you feel this is thick, you can add 2-3 tablespoons of filtered water to it. Mix well. Now you can transfer this in any spray bottle or in any glass bottle. Friends, spray this toner onto your face and let it dry on its own, or you can also apply it with the cotton ball. You can store this rice water toner up to 3-4 days in fridge. This natural toner promotes cell growth, stimulates blood flow and helps to keep your skin smooth and bright. You can use this toner daily. Friends, my last step of this amazing regime is moisturization. Friends, moisturization is very important. So let's prepare natural skin hydrating moisturizer. Here I will need freshly extracted aloe vera gel. Friends, always remember, fresh ingredients are always more effective than the packaged ones. So this is aloe vera leaf. Slice it and scoop the gel with the help of a spoon. Now blend it in your mixer or grinder. Take 2 tablespoons of this gel in a bowl. Now add in 1 vitamin E capsule into it. This is Evian 600 mg capsule. Now I will need raw milk or unboiled milk. This is about 1 tablespoon. This is our amazing 100% natural hydrating moisturizer ready to use. Prepare it in small quantities. You can store it in fridge up to 3-4 days. Apply this moisturizer after toning. Massage gently in upward direction on your face and neck for 3-4 minutes. Leave it on overnight. No need to wash it off. Next morning, wash your face with a good herbal face wash and apply any good moisturizer with SPF. This will also remove all your dark spots and marks. So friends, follow this Korean skincare regime every night and your skin will become fair, radiant, smooth, flawless and crystal clear like a glass. So friends, that's all for today. Hope you liked this video and I'll see you very soon with another such useful DIY video. Till then, take care and love yourself. Bye.